We are Scarbrough Global. This is the area we service. We get stuff from here to here, here to here, and sometimes here to here. How do we do it? With a building full of overqualified and overzealous professionals that overdeliver every day. When we started in 1984, we set out to create a logistics company that was simply the best, made up of the most experienced, most dedicated, and most service-oriented people in the entire industry. People who didn't know the meaning of the word impossible. We have hundreds of stories of our team going above and beyond to make our clients the heroes, by sweating the details, solving the hard problems, and going the extra miles. That's miles with an S. We want our clients to see us as an extension of their own company, their go-to logistics expert working proactively behind the scenes and taking care of problems before they become disasters. From international freight forwarding and customs brokerage to warehousing, domestic trucking, and consulting, we've got a team here 24/7 that eats, sleeps, and breathes logistics and are always ready to help. We still have our very first client. Not many logistics companies can say that. Of course, not too many logistics companies are made up of people who believe that impossible is just not possible. We are Scarbrough Global, and we expect more from ourselves because people expect more from us.